Hi and welcome to American Printer TV. I'm Tamara Forlansky.
And I'm John Hamilton. Every 2 weeks we have the latest industry news for you.
Today is no exception. We'll tell you what's in store for International Days at Ipex 2010.
But that's not all. Let's take a look at what else is coming up.
Mohawk is keeping you in the loop on eco-friendly papers.
A new Goss press for direct mail is headed to Quad Graphics.
And we tell you about UV power savings. Country and region-specific International Days are back for Ipex 2010. The days are designed to help non-UK visitors navigate this year's show. Exhibitors will plan regionally appropriate resources on those days, including relevant speakers, sales teams, and translated information. Each International Day, a key industry figure will host a kickoff reception in the International Lounge in Hall 12. The reception will feature an overview of the show's highlights, as well as briefings on topics of particular interest to each specific region or country. Trevor Crawford, Ipex 2010 event director, explains, "We're working to actively engage with our international visitor base to make Ipex the perfect place for them to discover the latest technologies relevant to their markets and provide a valuable networking opportunity." Non-UK visitors are welcome throughout the show, and Monday, May 24th is the big day for North American attendees. For more information about International Days at Ipex 2010, visit www.ipex.org/INTdays.
Mohawk Fine Papers has created a new way to keep you in the loop about eco-friendly papers. The new Mohawk Loop line of recycled and environmentally friendly papers merges Mohawk Synergy, Genesis, Passport, and Proterra with brand new shades and finishes. The Forest Stewardship Council's certified papers are made with renewable energy and post-consumer fiber. Mohawk Loop includes 100% post-consumer recycled papers and a rich color palette with 35 shades. These range from bright white to rich black, as well as fibered shades and fashion colors. The line also features 8 finishes, including Mohawk silk-coated paper with 50% post-consumer recycled fibers. The most popular weights are available, from writing papers to extra heavy covers, as well as paperboard and a variety of envelope stocks. For more details, head over to www.mohawkpaper.com/getintheloop.
Quad Graphics is set to install a new Goss Sunday 2000 web press at its newly renovated Quad Direct headquarters in Wisconsin this summer. The press will replace older technology that will be taken out of service, allowing the Quad Direct operation to achieve higher print quality and productivity with less waste. The 6-unit Goss press will feature a unique cutoff and web width. Goss will supply a ContiWeb CS splicer and an EcoCool dryer with the press system, which Quad Graphics will use to produce direct mail and specialty products at the plant. Tim Sands, Quad's Vice President of Press Operations, says the addition of this new Goss press gives us one of the most robust, innovative platforms in the direct mail industry to support our clients' continued focus on targeted communications. Quad Graphics currently operates more than 25 Goss Sunday presses at its web offset production facilities throughout the U.S.
For the 10th straight year, Xerox will sponsor Executive Outlook. The full-day technology trends conference will be held in Chicago's McCormick Place on Saturday, October 2nd, the day before the opening of Graph Expo 2010. The conference theme, The Challenge of Change in the New Era of Print, emphasizes the technological shifts taking place in print, as well as products fueling that shift. New this year, the Positively Print Program award recipients will be honored. These printers successfully promote the power of print in their communications. Executive Outlook will conclude with the announcement of the Must-See-Ems, a roundup of the most intriguing and game-changing technologies and products on the Graph Expo show floor. For more information and to register, visit www.graphexpo.com.
Glue Dots International is offering a new Matrix line of adhesives. Matrix consists of pre-dispensed adhesive dots on a release liner, which is applied with the Dot Shot Pro handheld applicator. The pattern transfers continuous coverage onto the intended surface without excessive force or a trigger device. Residue and waste are eliminated with the Matrix Clean Cutoff approach. Matrix is available in 1/4 and 1/2 inch widths in thicknesses up to 15 mils in both removable and permanent formulas. Matrix is used in point-of-purchase, packaging, framing, direct mail, and many other print applications. Samples are available by request from matrix.com.
Because it's free of volatile organic compounds, UV printing is often considered environmentally friendly. Less attention is given to power requirements for UV-equipped offset presses, which can be considerable. But IST's Bill Bonello says vendors are pursuing a higher level of efficiency for ink cure with a lower level of energy. IST's BLK5 UV drying system was developed specifically for web printing applications where high process speeds are critical. 2 of the units are able to achieve the same curing results that previously required 3 BLK2 UV units. IST reports this cuts electricity costs by up to half. A German trade association tested the IST UV system and found a 40% efficiency increase. Following Drupa 2008, the association awarded IST Metz a certificate for energy minimized UV, making IST Metz the first global manufacturer of UV systems to earn this certification. Want to learn more of this hot topic? Check out the April feature LED and sheet-fed UV at www.americanprinter.com. But first, take a look at this tech tip.
Hi, this is Ray Prince again for American Printer TV, and we'd like to talk a little bit about UV curing today. We have before us basically a basic UV lamp, shutters, the quartz lamp itself. Basically, you are drying with a energy curable ink. You are buying an ink from your regular ink company that is energy curable, UV sensitive. We then will expose it with UV light and dry it instantly. The beauty of UV is that, one, it is a green technology, and let's remember that it is a green technology. There are no VOCs, so those sheets that end up, cartons or printed product that end up in a landfill have no VOC. It is a non-polluting item. Likewise, since there's no VOC on the presses with ink, we have no VOCs coming out of that ink. One would then argue, well, yes, you have to wash it up. There's VOCs there. Yes, there is a small amount there. The beauty of UV is high rub, high gloss, high print quality, and high print quality not only on coated stock, but also uncoated stock. So UV is a growth area. Basically, UV inks have been growing at the rate of about 10% per year, and even in these hard times, we're seeing printers adopt UV.
Thanks for yet another great tech tip, Ray.
We'll be back again in 2 weeks with more tips and industry news.
Until then, why not browse the archives for any webcasts you may have missed?
See you next time.